Good afternoon, and welcome to InvestorIdeas.com podcast, following cannabis news, stocks to watch, as well as insight from leaders and experts. Today, we are talking about Aurora Cannabis Inc., traded on the TSX stock symbol ACB, and MedReleaf Corp., traded on the TSX stock symbol LEAF, and their breaking acquisition news. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the two companies held a conference call announcing Aurora's acquisition of MedReleaf, an acquisition valued at roughly 3.2 billion Canadian or 2.5 billion US. The two have been in talks since 2015 regarding their acquisition, and as Cam Batley from Aurora mentions, the two companies complement one another substantially. Aurora's industry-leading efficiency and low production costs, combined with MedReleaf's high-yield cultivation, will make the combined company an aggressive force in the cannabis market, with the combined entity now being the largest cannabis company worldwide in terms of market share, revenue, and funded capacity. This latest acquisition will add to Aurora's growing brand of Aurora Cannabis, which they acquired earlier in the year, and now MedReleaf. Cam Batley now discusses the company's share vision briefly in the conference call.
The last thing that I want to say is that the objective of this transaction does include strengthening our ability to launch a very strong and admired brand come consumer legalization later this year. But the much larger economic opportunity, and one we agree on, our eyes are on the global market. The scale of the global medical cannabis market dwarfs anything we'll ever be able to achieve in Canada. It's a transaction with a long view. Our eyes are on that prize.
And even as the two are aware of the watchful eye on Canada as it begins to legalize adult recreational usage, the two are still strongly focused on the medical aspect, as they discuss briefly here.
We are doing something remarkable today, and something in which we all believe. The sense of mission of everybody who works for Aurora and for MedReleaf is palpable. We believe in what we're doing. We're bringing medicine to people in Canada and around the world. We're satisfying a massive unmet medical need. And we're participating in and leading the removal of criminal sanctions for the possession of cannabis. And we're doing that as a company that intends to establish itself as the world leader.
And later in the conference call, you can hear from Neil Klosner of MedReleaf as he explains what MedReleaf has to offer Aurora moving forward with this acquisition.
I'm extremely proud of what the team at MedReleaf has accomplished. We have the most awarded products in the industry. We're the only LP to win Producer of the Year. We have the second highest domestic cannabis sales in Canada, the highest margins, the highest yields in the industry, and the highest return on shareholder capital. Most of all, though, what I am most proud of is that I know that at MedReleaf, all of our team has helped tens of thousands of Canadians over the last 4 years since we began producing our products to live healthier and happier and more comfortable lives. Most notably, thousands and thousands of Canadian military veterans who are amongst our most important patients, all the way through to my mother, who is the most important patient.
The two companies have both traded upwards of 1% today with the news, with Aurora flattening out later near the end of the day. But both will be good stocks to watch moving forward with this acquisition, and there are talks of the combined entity being listed on the New York Stock Exchange in the future, which will be a big asset to these companies. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investments involve risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more podcasts, visit podcast page on InvestorIdeas.com.